In this video tutorial, I will teach you how to add Presto card to your Apple Pay. So let's open our Apple Wallet and we need to click the plus icon in the top right. Then we need to go to the travel card and in the top you will see Presto card, guys. If you can't see it, you can use the search bar and write Presto inside the search. So let's open Presto, click continue, and right here you need to choose the amount that you want to load your Presto card with. So for example, 10 Canadian dollars, and click the add button in the top right. After that, you need to choose the payment method, or if you don't have it, you need to first of all add the payment method into your Apple Wallet. So that's all I want to show you in this short video tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to click the like buttons and don't forget to subscribe.